Hello, today I'm going to go through what is new in Breeze 2024.1. We have a number of exciting changes. The highlights are, first of all, that we have completely reworked the directory hierarchy to be more in line with the FHS/user hierarchy recommendations. That means that Breeze is going to be much more intuitive to use for new customers. For existing customers who have got integrations relying on the old directory structure, we have a compatibility switch, which I will show you in a moment. We've also created new RPM and Debian packages for Breeze, so it's now much easier to install, so I'll show you those as well. And finally, we have added support for tracing jobs that are in Aptainer. And we have renamed the Breeze Singularity bind path to Breeze Container bind path accordingly to support both Singularity and Aptainer. So first of all, let's have a look at that new directory structure. You can see it's a lot simpler and a lot more intuitive with scripts such as trace program and Breeze for tracing applications or starting the Breeze UI now in /bin. For those of you who have existing integrations with the old directory structure, we have got a script called compatibility symlinks, which creates symlinks to be backwards compatible with previous versions of Breeze. So there are two options, either create or remove. So if I run create, it's now created all of the symlinks to the old directory structures such as /dry run and so on. So you can see you can continue using all of your old integrations in that way. Next, let's take a look at the new install packages. You see we still have the tar.gz packages that we always had before, but we now have .deb and .rpm packages. I'm on a Rocky machine, so I'm going to install Breeze using the RPM packages. Now I can do a -install like this. By default, that will install Breeze in /opt Altair. I can use a -- prefix argument to RPM in order to change the default install directory. Obviously, to remove that, I can just do an RPM -e in the standard way, and that will have removed the packages. If you have a package manager installed, obviously you can also do a sudo yum install followed by the RPM path. And then uninstall that in the usual way. Similarly, on systems that use the .deb packages, I have an Ubuntu machine here. I can install Breeze with the dpkg and remove in a similar way. Or I can do a sudo apt install Breeze. And then similarly remove it with the package manager as well. So we have other videos demonstrating the full capabilities of Breeze. I recommend watching those videos for instructions on getting started. But in the meantime, thank you for listening.